Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Daily Podcast. I'm Marcus.
And I'm Chris. And wow, Marcus, you look pumped today.
I am pumped, Chris. You know why? Because today we're ditching the textbook English and getting into the real stuff, the way people actually talk.
Exactly. Today's episode is all about casual conversation practice. We're talking slang, informal expressions, and the kind of English you'll hear when you're hanging out with friends, chatting at a coffee shop, or just, being normal.
Right? Because here's the thing. You can know all the grammar rules. You can ace those tests. But then you meet a native speaker and they're like, "What's up? Want to grab a bite?" And you're thinking, "Grab a bite? Bite what?"
Exactly. So today we're fixing that. We're going to teach you the real phrases people use every day. And then, here's the fun part, we're doing tons of role plays, multiple scenarios where you'll hear these phrases in action.
So, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you've been with us for a while, drop a comment and tell us what slang phrase confuses you the most. We read every single comment.
All right, let's dive in. First up, we're starting with greetings and small talk, the casual way. Okay, so Marcus, when you see a friend on the street, you probably don't say, "Hello, how are you today?"
Definitely not. I'd say something like, "Hey, what's up?" Or "How's it going?"
Perfect. So let's break down some super common casual greetings. First one, what's up? This is probably the most common informal greeting in American English. It literally means, what's happening, or how are you? But here's the key. You usually don't give a detailed answer.
Oh yeah, if someone says, "What's up?" you don't start telling them your whole life story, right?
Exactly. You usually just say, "Hey, not much," or "Nothing much, you?" Or even just, "Hey, back." It's more like acknowledging the person than asking a real question.
So it's kind of like a greeting disguised as a question?
Yes, perfect way to put it. Now, another common one is, how's it going? This is slightly more like a real question, but still casual. You can answer with, pretty good, or can't complain, or same old, same old.
Ooh, same old, same old. I love that one. That means nothing's changed, right? Everything's normal.
Exactly. It means your life is the same as usual. Not exciting, not bad, just normal. Now, here's one that confuses learners. What's good? This is very casual, kind of urban slang. It means the same as, what's up?
And you can answer the same way, right? Like, not much. What's good with you?
Perfect, you got it. Now, when you're leaving a conversation, you don't always say goodbye. You might say, catch you later, or see you around, or my favorite, take it easy.
Take it easy. That's like saying, relax. Don't stress. Have a good day.
Yep, it's a friendly way to say goodbye. It's like saying, I hope you have a relaxed, stress-free day. Super common.
All right, Chris, let's practice. I'll be someone walking down the street and you're my friend I haven't seen in a while.
Perfect. Here we go. Oh, hey, Marcus, what's up, man?
Oh, hey, Chris. Not much. Just heading to grab some coffee. How's it going with you?
Pretty good, pretty good. I've just been super busy with work. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah, totally. Same old over here. Hey, we should hang out sometime soon.
For sure. Yeah, let's do that. I'll text you this week and we can figure something out.
Sounds good. All right, I gotta run, but catch you later.
Yeah, take it easy, Marcus.
You too.
Okay, so back to teaching voice. See how a real conversation flows. Notice we used what's up, how's it going, same old, hang out, catch you later, and take it easy. All in like 30 seconds.
And it sounded totally natural. None of that textbook stuff like, "It was pleasant to see you."
Right. Now, let's move on to making plans, because this is where slang really comes in.
Okay, so making plans. In formal English, you'd say, would you like to have dinner with me? But nobody says that.
Exactly. So here are the phrases people actually use. First, want to hang out? Wanna is want to, contracted, and hang out means to spend time together casually. No specific activity, just being together.
So you could say, you want to hang out this weekend, and you're not planning anything specific.
Right. It might mean watching a movie, getting food, just walking around, whatever. Now, if you want to suggest eating together, you say, want to grab a bite? Or want to grab some food?
Grab a bite. I love how English uses grab for so many things. Grab a coffee, grab lunch, grab a drink.
Yes. Grab in this context means to get something quickly and casually. It's not a formal meal. You're just grabbing food. Now, here's another super common one. You free? This means, are you available? But way more casual.
So instead of, are you available on Friday evening, you just say, you free Friday?
Exactly. And here's how people often respond. I'm down. This means, yes, I'm interested. I agree. It's very casual and enthusiastic.
Wait, so if someone says, want to see a movie tonight? I can just say, yeah, I'm down.
Perfect. Now, the opposite, if you can't make it, you might say, I can't make it, which means you're unable to attend. Or you could say, I'm gonna have to pass, which means you're declining the invitation.
I'm gonna have to pass. That's a polite way to say no, right?
Yes, it's casual but polite. You're saying, thanks, but I can't this time. And here's one more. Let's play it by ear. This means you're not making a definite plan. You'll figure it out later, based on how you feel or what happens.
Oh, that's like keeping your options open.
Exactly. Like, I'm not sure if I'm free Saturday, so let's play it by ear. It means you'll figure it out as you go. All right, Marcus, new scenario. You're calling me to make plans for the weekend.
All right, Marcus, new scenario. You're calling me to make plans for the weekend. Got it. Here we go. Hey, Chris, what's up? You free this Saturday?
Hey, I think so. What were you thinking?
I was thinking maybe we could hang out, grab some food, maybe catch a movie or something.
Oh, yeah, I'm totally down. What time works for you?
How about like afternoon, maybe around 2?
Sounds good. Should we figure out which movie now, or?
Let's just play it by ear. We can decide when we meet up.
Perfect. Where should we grab a bite?
There's that new burger place downtown. Have you been there yet?
No, not yet, but I've heard good things. Yeah, let's check it out.
Awesome. All right, so Saturday at 2, burger place, then we'll see about the movie.
Yep, sounds like a plan. I'll text you that morning.
Cool. Catch you later.
Yeah, see you Saturday. Perfect. Did you catch all those phrases? You free? I'm down. Hang out. Grab a bite. Play it by ear. Catch a movie. All supernatural, all informal.
And notice how we didn't plan everything perfectly? That's very normal in casual English. You leave some things flexible.
Now let's talk about how to react in conversations. Because when your friend tells you something, you don't just stand there silently, right?
Right, you gotta show you're listening.
Exactly. So here are some super common reaction phrases. First, no way. This shows surprise or disbelief. Like, I just won $1,000. No way! That's amazing!
Or if someone says something you don't believe, I met a celebrity yesterday. No way. Who?
Perfect. Now, another common one, for real? This means, really? Is that true? It's very casual. You can also say, seriously, which means the same thing.
So if someone says, I'm moving to Japan next month, I could say, for real? That's crazy.
Exactly. Now, when something is really cool or impressive, you might say, that's sick, or that's dope. Now, these are slang. Sick and dope both mean really cool or awesome.
Wait, so sick is good?
In slang, yes. If your friend shows you their new car and you say, "Whoa, that's sick," you mean it's really cool. It's the opposite of the medical meaning.
English is weird, Chris.
It really is. Okay, more reactions. I'm not gonna lie, this phrase introduces an honest opinion. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that movie was terrible.
Or, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired right now.
Perfect. And here's one you'll hear constantly. I know, right? This shows agreement. Like, the weather is so nice today.
I know, right? It's perfect.
Oh, I love that one. It's like saying, yes, I totally agree with you.
Exactly. And finally, you're telling me. This also shows strong agreement. Like, this job is so stressful.
You're telling me. I can barely keep up.
Okay, Chris, I'm going to tell you some news, and you react naturally with all these phrases.
All right, bring it on.
Dude, you'll never believe what happened. I just got promoted at work.
No way. For real? That's sick, Marcus. Congratulations.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. It comes with a big raise, too.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super jealous right now. That's amazing, though. When does it start?
Next month. But honestly, I'm kind of nervous. It's a lot more responsibility.
Oh, I know, right? New positions are always stressful at first, but you've got this.
Thanks. And hey, guess what else? They're sending me to London for training.
Seriously? You're telling me? That's incredible. How long?
2 weeks. I've never been to Europe before.
That's so dope. You're gonna have an amazing time.
See how natural that sounded? Chris used so many reaction phrases. No way. For real. That's sick. I'm not gonna lie. I know, right? Seriously. You're telling me. And that's so dope.
And they all flowed naturally. That's the key. These phrases make you sound like a native speaker because that's how we actually talk.
All right, Chris. Before we do our final big role play, can we go over some other super common casual expressions?
Absolutely. Let's rapid fire through some essentials. First, my bad. This means my mistake, or I'm sorry. It's a casual apology. Like if you accidentally bump into someone, oh, my bad.
That's way more casual than saying, I apologize.
Exactly. Next, no worries. This is how you respond when someone apologizes. Instead of, it's okay, you say, no worries. Very Australian, but used everywhere now.
So, sorry I'm late. No worries, dude.
Perfect. Now, I'm beat. This means I'm exhausted. Like, I worked all day, I'm beat.
And you could also say, I'm wiped out, right?
Yes, same meaning. Now, here's an important one. What do you say? This is how you suggest something. What do you say we order pizza? Means, how about we order pizza?
Or what do you say we call it a night? Means, let's end the evening?
Exactly. Call it a night means to end your activities and go home. Now, I'm broke. This means I have no money. Very casual. I can't go out tonight. I'm broke.
Huh. College students say that one a lot.
They sure do. And here's one more. It's on me. This means I'll pay. Like, let's get coffee. It's on me. You're offering to pay for the other person.
Nice. And the opposite would be, let's split it, meaning each person pays half.
Exactly. Or let's go Dutch, which means the same thing. Everyone pays for themselves. Okay, Marcus, final big role play. We're at a restaurant. I'm your friend, and we're deciding what to order and making conversation. Use all the phrases we've learned.
Perfect. Let's do this. Man, I'm starving. What looks good to you?
I'm thinking about the burger. What do you say we also get some appetizers to share?
Ooh, yeah, I'm down. Let's get the wings. Oh, wait. Actually, I'm kind of broke right now. Maybe we should skip the apps?
No worries. The wings are on me. I just got paid.
For real? Thanks, Chris. You're the best.
Haha, no problem. So, how's work been? You looked pretty stressed last time I saw you.
Dude, you're telling me. It's been crazy. We just started this new project, and I've been working late every night. I'm beat.
That's rough, man. You need a vacation.
I know, right? I'm actually thinking about taking a few days off next month. Maybe just, I don't know, stay home and do nothing.
Honestly, that sounds sick. Sometimes you just need to relax, you know?
Exactly. Oh, by the way, did you hear about Sarah? She's moving to New York.
No way. Seriously? When?
Next month. She got this amazing job offer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to miss her, but I'm so happy for her.
Yeah, that's so dope, though. Good for her. We should throw her a going away party.
Oh, great idea. You free next Saturday?
I think so. Let me check my calendar and get back to you. Let's play it by ear.
Sounds good. Oh, wait, the waiter's coming. Let's order.
Yeah, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
Ha, I could eat a horse. That's an idiom, meaning you're really hungry.
And did everyone catch all those casual phrases in that conversation? Let me count. I'm starving. What do you say? I'm down. I'm broke. No worries. It's on me. For real. You're telling me. I'm beat. I know, right? That sounds sick. No way. Seriously. I'm not gonna lie. That's so dope. You free? Let's play it by ear.
That's like almost 20 phrases in one conversation.
Exactly. And it all sounded completely natural. Okay, let's quickly review the most important phrases from today. For greetings, what's up? How's it going? What's good? And responses like, not much, or same old, same old.
For making plans, want to hang out? Grab a bite? You free? I'm down. Let's play it by ear.
For reacting, no way. For real? That's sick. I know, right? You're telling me.
And other useful phrases. My bad. No worries. I'm beat. I'm broke. It's on me.
Now, here's a pronunciation tip. Notice how we contract everything in casual speech. Want to becomes wanna, going to becomes gonna, and gotta becomes got to becomes gotta. If you want to sound natural, use these contractions.
And here's a common mistake to avoid. Don't use these phrases in formal situations. You wouldn't tell your boss, yo, what's up? Or say, I'm broke in a job interview.
Right. Save these for friends, casual social situations, and informal settings. When you're in professional or formal contexts, switch back to standard English.
Wow, Chris, I gotta say, this was one of my favorite episodes. I love teaching real practical English.
Me too. And honestly, if you're listening and you practice these phrases, you're going to sound so much more natural. Native speakers will be impressed.
For sure. So here's your challenge for this week. Try to use at least 5 of these phrases in real conversations. And here's my question for you. Leave a comment and tell us what's the most confusing slang phrase you've ever heard. We want to know.
Yes, and if we get enough responses, we might do a whole episode on confusing slang.
Love it. And if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, share it with a friend who's learning English, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next episode.
Speaking of next episode, we're diving into phone conversations. How to sound confident and natural when you're talking on the phone in English.
Ooh, that's a good one. I still get nervous on phone calls sometimes.
Well, we're going to fix that. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for listening.
Yeah, thank you guys. Practice those phrases, leave us a comment, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
Take it easy, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.